Hello there, just finished the final season of Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I will see if I can find a link and link it below. It's basically about a New York precinct, the 99th precinct in New York. The police department and detectives and uniformed officers and the shenanigans they get into. Says Sergeant Jeffers and Detectives Peralta and Santiago and Diaz lead a lovable and offbeat squad that must get its act together when their precinct has a new boss. And that's how it kind of starts off. There are 8 seasons. They are episodes that are around the 20 to 30 minute mark. It's rated TV 14. It's under comedy. And yeah, I actually enjoyed the show quite a bit up until we got on season 7 and season 8. I kind of feel like things started to get a little bit old. The humor just got a little bit monotonous, and the characters, although I really enjoyed them for the first 6 seasons, by the last 2 seasons, I just kind of was over it and was ready for them to, like, wrap it up.
Yeah, they should end it at season 6.
Yeah, I feel like they took this show a couple seasons further than it needed to go, at least for my preferences. I would never rewatch this series. It was fine for one time through, but I don't know, I wouldn't want to go on that journey again. Like I said, it did start getting really repetitive. Even before the 7th and 8th season, it was already getting pretty repetitive, when I was kind of like, come on, let's start getting different or wrapping things up. They did have some of the characters expand and grow and change in certain ways throughout the process of these seasons, which I do like seeing growth happen within the characters. But yeah, I thought the casting was great. Everyone did a great job. I think my favorite character is the Holt character, Sergeant Holt. Yeah, I would give this a solid 3 out of 5 stars, just because I feel like those last 2 seasons, it just could have been not done. If you have ever seen Brooklyn 99, any episodes, any seasons, let me know what you thought of it down below. I would recommend it if you enjoy comedy sitcoms about police. Then I would say yes, this is totally something you might enjoy. If you don't enjoy sitcom comedies, especially about law enforcement, then you probably would be best to skip this one. So, thanks so much for watching my review, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.